So I have decided that we are going to make lemon pepper gravy for the chicken that we're cooking. And I'm heating me up some chicken bouillon because my chicken that's in the Instant Pot hasn't dinged yet. So we're just gonna heat some chicken stock up real quick. Plus I got a little tub of that stuff I need to get rid of. Okay, now y'all know, I don't know if you've seen me make it before, but we're going to do it right now. We are going to make a roux. So what we do is we do equal parts of a fat and flour. So I'm going to do about a tablespoon of butter, and then I'm going to do about a tablespoon of that same oil that we use, the butter infused oil. So we got 2 tablespoons. So then that means once this gets to going, I need 2 tablespoons of flour. And roughly speaking, and I mean roughly speaking, per every tablespoon of roux you make, you need a cup of a liquid, roughly. So that means I'm gonna need at least 2 cups. It's probably gonna be more like 3 cups of a liquid. Now, see, we're just making a roux. Biggest thing about the roux is don't walk away, keep stirring. Let it all combine and get yummy. And then this roux needs to change to a darker color because you wanna cook the raw flour taste out. Greg has the patience of a saint, and he does a really good job with the roux. I do not. Right now, I'm also going to throw in a tablespoon of garlic because I want to cook the raw out of the garlic. You know how garlic just has that weird, that fresh raw taste? I don't want that to go away. So we're going to add that in. Oh yeah. This smells good already. All right. Now, I want to start with some heavy cream. Get that goodness in there. I'll just finish this off. That was probably a cup. And then I'm going to follow that up with, I'm going to switch to a whisk now. I just think that'll serve this roux a little bit better. There we go. Ooh, my valve dropped. Yay, we can get the chicken out. Okay, we're incorporated. Now remember, I don't know if like I said, if you've seen our other videos about making roux, you know that the thickest this sauce will ever be is when it comes to a boil. That's how thick it'll be. Now you can see that this is way too thick. So we need more liquid. So the next liquid I'm going to come in with is my bouillon that I heated up real quick. Probably about half of that because that's another cup of liquid. We're going to stir this in, and this stuff comes together pretty quick. So right now we've got butter, oil, flour, heavy whipping cream, and chicken stock. Now this is where you can start making it your own. So because we want a lemon pepper chicken, how are we doing? Oh, we're bubbling a little bit. We can take our lemon pepper, be generous with it. That was probably 2 tablespoons. And start adding it to the pot so it can cook in. And start flavoring everything. All right. We're boiling. That's really a good consistency. Now, this is a great consistency if I'm going to eat it right now. Y'all know we are getting ready to make this into freezer meals. So I'm thinking we want to make this a little runny because if we're going to zap it in the microwave, it's going to cook some of that liquid out. So this needs to be just a little bit runnier than you would like it if you ate it straight up right now. Because you got to remember what we're going to do with it. The in-state goal of this. See, that's still a little thick. How are we doing? I could go a little bit more and then we'll switch to milk. All right, now we're at a full cup in. Let's see, how do we like it? And you know how to test for a rolling boil. If you can stir it and you can't stir the boil out, you know you're there. Ah, it's close, so close. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of milk. That was probably a 1/4 cup. I want to lemon this up, so I'm gonna add, ooh, not the cap. Teaspoon of lemon juice. Remember, we're gonna taste. Oh yeah, I think this is better. This is runnier than an actual, because I don't want it to be a gravy. I want it to be like more of a sauce. Yeah, see, I can't get peaks in there anymore. They start to try, but then they go away. All right, we need to taste for flavor. I want to make sure that it's got enough pepper flavor. I'm not worried about the lemon flavor, obviously, because I think that's going to be pretty good. Ooh, that is on point. Yes. Okay. We have our lemon pepper bonanza. Oh, that's good, y'all. That's real good. So I was getting ready to find all of the barbecue sauce that I thought I had, and this is all I had left of some Sweet Baby Ray's in the refrigerator. So we have a problem if we're gonna make sauce for 4 boxes, because that ain't gonna cut it. So what we're gonna do is make our own. Yay! Another recipe, which is okay. Okay. Ketchup. And if you watched our travel video, this is the ketchup that we decanted. So now I got another jar. Woo-woo! Let's add some more ketchup, because I don't think that's enough. Plus we'll have some for later. I've got plenty of ketchup. Now what do you do about that? You add a little bit of water, shaky, shaky, and it comes right out. Okay. All right, now we got it all. I like to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. That's probably a tablespoon. That ketchup is probably about 2 to 2.5 cups. I want my barbecue sauce to have a little zhuzh. 1/4 teaspoon of Cholula. Why not have barbecue sauce without horseradish? We will add a little mustard love in here. About a tablespoon. We're gonna do some garlic powder. We're gonna do some onion powder. We're gonna do some black pepper. And then to kick it up a little bit, we're gonna add probably about 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're gonna mix this up, taste. If we like it, we serve. Now the last barbecue sauce that we made had bourbon in it. Man, you talk about awesome. Did I put Frank's in there? What does it need? I want Frank's, which is W sauce, Worcestershire, or however you say it. Too tomato-y. I need to go get some liquid smoke. Be right back. All right, I slapped some more mustard in there. I also went ahead and got some brown sugar. I just think that's going to add to it. It needs something. The tomatoes are too acid. Now this is liquid smoke and it's hickory. Be careful with this stuff. I mean, we're talking like half a teaspoon. Might even just be a quarter. All right. Boom, done. There it is. I want a little bit more smoke because my palate, Greg's palate will handle it. Okay, I'm for sure up to a half a teaspoon now. Yes. Okay.